Some imagine him to be distant and disengaged. Others make him a sentimental God who simply mirrors their desires. Some imagine a God who only punishes and holds accountable. Others make him out to be a God who only agrees with them. But he is Allah, infinitely supreme, intimately near, majestic beyond measure. A Lord who wrote mercy before wrath, who listens before you even speak, who was never far to begin with. And while he hasn't yet unveiled himself to our eyes, he has unveiled his essence through the names that shape our lives. Names by which you can know him and call upon him. Names never meant to create distance, but to draw you near. 99 doors that open to mercy and justice, to hope and healing. And despite our seemingly different needs and our entirely different worlds, the same universal names hold us all together, not as distant descriptions, but as living invitations, because every one of them leads back to one God, the one who never turns away a heart that sincerely seeks him. And no matter where you are right now, somewhere in these 99 doors is the name you need.